Hello everyone. So today we will learn about what is integration technology and Mulesoft. Okay. So one by one we will understand what is integration technology and then we will talk about Mulesoft. So first, before going to technical term, so first we will go with one real-time scenario to understand what is integration and how it works. So here you can see we have four person. Person A can speak English, person B can speak Hindi, person C can speak Spanish, and person D can speak French. Okay. Now, if they want to communicate, since they can't understand each other language, so they are unable to communicate with each other. So to overcome this kind of problem, what they did, they came with one solution. They hired few translator. So from person A to person B, they hired one translator. This translator know both English and Hindi. Same from person B to person C, they hired one translator. This translator know both Hindi and Spanish. In this way, they hired multiple translator and they are able to communicate with each other. But again, in this way they have lots of problem, like if there will be new person, then again they need to hire four more translator, and if there will be again one new person, they again need to hire five new translator. So this one is point to point, you can say this communication channel as a point to point communication channel. Again they came with another solution where they have one device. This device is able to understand all kind of language, and this device can generate all kind of language as a response. So now if someone speaking English want to communicate with Hindi, then he will speak in English, and this device will translate that English in Hindi format, and then this person will able to understand that language. And as a reply, he will speak in Hindi, and this device will take that Hindi language and translate it to English, and then this person will able to understand that response. So in this way they are able to communicate with each other with the help of this device. Same way integration technology work. Okay. So now we'll see about integration technology. So if you go for any organization, that organization may have different device. For example, database, CRM, they can have different system, legacy system, ERP system, internal application system, business process system. Now these all are heterogeneous system. They are not able to communicate with each other directly since they can't understand each other technology. So now integration came in picture, and this integration help them to communicate with each other. Since this integration system or integration technology know how to communicate with each other, that's why integration technology comes in picture. Okay. Now in market we have few famous integration technology like Mulesoft, Oracle Beppel, Oracle Service Bus, Tipco, Dell Boomi. So we have lots of integration product available in market provided by different company. So we'll talk about Mulesoft. So Mulesoft is one of the famous integration technology available in market. Okay, which allow us to communicate in between heterogeneous system within an organization. Okay, now Mulesoft from 2018 it's acquired by Salesforce. So uh, now it's a part of one brand value, that is Salesforce. And this Mulesoft is founded by Ross Mason and Dave in 2006. Initially they given the Mulesoft name as a MuleSource, but later on in 2009 they changed their name from MuleSource to Mulesoft. And this name Mule came from donkey work. Since they want to escape donkey work using this technology, so they have given name as a MuleSource, and later on they changed to Mulesoft. So Mulesoft has also capability to integrate in between heterogeneous system. So here you can see we have Twitter, we have Salesforce. So they want to exchange their data from one system to another system. Since they are heterogeneous system, they use different technology, so they will not able to communicate directly. So they need some intermediate system which can transform their message in target format. Okay, so in this way Mulesoft helping them to communicate with each other. So you can see here Mulesoft helping different heterogeneous system to communicate with each other.